What's up, everybody? This is Conrad from MotorBreak.com here on Sunday, July 1st, 2018, to do a 6-box half case break of 2018 Museum Collection Baseball. Brand new Museum Collection just released Friday. This is PYT Pick Your Team Style number 6. We got Diamondbacks picked up by Joe S., Ray Dutchick with the Braves, Adidas Orioles, Gavin with the Red Sox, Niner fans Cub, LP Ruger with the White Sox Rockies, Jay at Tri-J Enterprises with the Indians, Phillies, and Reds, D-Nice Tigers, Joe S. Astros, Erica B. Royals, Greg L. Angels, Allen with the Dodgers and Cardinals, Joe S. Marlins, Jimson with the Brewers Twins, Joe Dan with the Mets, Marcus Mann Yankees, Personal Training with the Athletics, Jay at Tri with the Padres Pirates, Grant Laser with the Giants, Cal or C. Alvarez with the Mariners, Shane Collectible Rays Blue Jays, Joe S. with the Rangers, and Tabano with the Washington Nationals. Good luck, everybody. Let's see if we can keep that museum fire going. The museum breaks yesterday were crazy. Only 6 cheap teams left in Inception Baseball, guys. 6 teams left. Doug and Ed are going to be doing a full case museum tomorrow. Full case random. Check that out on tomorrow's schedule. Yeah, go figure. All right, pack 1. We have a purple parallel, Trey Mancini, 15 out of 99 to start us off. And the first hit of the break coming up, it is Jose Ramirez, 22 of 25 for the Cleveland Indians. Jose Ramirez, the first auto of the break. And Cleveland picked up by Jay. And we got Adrian Beltre. And Will Myers for the San Diego Padres, 2-color patch, 21 out of 50. 2-color patch for the San Diego Padres. Padres also Jay. Pack 3. We got a blue parallel, David Ortiz, 52 of 150. And a reproduction sketch of Frank Thomas for the White Sox. And Yankees with the Didi Gregorius triple patch autograph, 4 of 25 for New York. Triple patch auto, Didi Gregorius. And Yankees picked up by Marksman. Yankees. All right. Last pack for box 1. Derek Jeter. It is Josh Bell, quad jersey, 87.99, quad jersey Josh Bell for the Pittsburgh Pirates, which is also Jay. Named out box number 1. All right, number 2. Purple parallel, 45.99, Xander Bogaerts. And Billy Hamilton for the Reds. Check out my patch. Nice patch in that small window. 1935 for the Cincinnati Reds. Billy Hamilton, 4-color patch. Reds, Jay with the Reds. Salvador Perez. Reproduction sketch for the Yankees. And J.D. Davis for the Houston Astros. 274, 299. J.D. Davis auto. Houston Astros, Joe S. Joey Votto. And Mookie Betts, quad jersey for the Red Sox, $47.99. I thought he was going to get some ink. Mookie Betts, quad jersey. Red Sox and Gavin. Last pack. Box 2. We have Travis Shaw, double jersey auto for the Milwaukee Brewers. 17/25. Brewers and Jimson. Travis Shaw. Box 4. Purple Parallel, Honus Wagner, 25/99. And Alex Bregman for the Astros, 117/199. Houston, with another nice auto there. That's Joe. Reese Hoskins, parallel. And then you got a Dexter Fowler patch, 18/50 for the Cardinals. Dexter Fowler, St. Louis Cardinals. Cardinals is Allen. Blue parallel Adam Jones, 99/150. Let's see here. Diamondbacks and Reds gone from inception. Only 5 teams or 4 teams left in inception, guys, to break that one. Nice Mike Trout reproduction sketch. Yep, reproduction. And Phillies with the double jersey of Aaron Nola. 1/299. First one stamped. Philadelphia Phillies. It's J. Yoenis Cespedes, Paul Goldschmidt, and Luis Severino, quad jersey for the Yankees, 38/99 to end out box number 3. All right, good luck second half of the break, guys. Only 4 teams left in inception to break that. NT Baseball Random Numbers is scheduled to break at 6:30. That's in about 25 minutes. I think the inception is probably going to fill up first and break. Sup, sports? 6:30. 6:30 on the dot. I'm in my drop top. All right, box 4. Reproduction, Roberto Clemente. And auto of Byron Buxton for the Twins, 101/199. Byron Buxton from Minnesota. Jimson and the Twins. Oh, that's cheap Team Mojo right there. Purple Joey Votto, 57/99. And next hit, Miguel Cabrera, 2-color patch for the Tigers, 33 of 50. Detroit. D nice. Tigers. George Springer. And Luis Severino. Jumbo, 3-color patch auto for the Yankees, 2 of 15. Jumbo patch auto, Luis Severino. I think he's a marksman again. And ending out the box, we got Yankees quad. Gary Sanchez, Didi Gregorius, Dylan Betances, and Masahiro Tanaka. 71 of 75 quad for the Yankees. Doing well. Alright, box number 4. Let's fill up that Inception, guys. Break that next. JD Martinez. And for the Dodgers, double patch, Clayton Kershaw, Corey Seager, 48 of 50. LA Dodgers and Allen. Well, we know one thing for sure. LeBron is going to add, in terms of like, for Laker costs, the cost of buying Lakers next year, he's going to add some value to the team for sure. Get LeBron patches. Crazy, man. Can't believe he's going to Lakers. Salvador Perez, 38 of 99, purple. Would have never imagined. Kyle Schwarber for the Cubs, 46 of 50. Cubbies, a Niners fan. Kyle Schwarber auto. Max Scherzer. Shohei Ohtani, rookie. And for the Pirates, quad relic, 3-color patch in the middle, 23-25, Gregory Polanco for the Pittsburgh Pirates. And Jay. Last pack, box 5. 134, 150 blue. And we're going to end with a reproduction sketch for Rays of Wade Boggs and Didi Gregorius double jersey auto. Yankees dominating this half, 79 of 299 for the Yankees. All right, last box. Good luck. Let's fill up that museum collection, guys. Only 4 teams left. Oh, what am I talking about? There's only 1 team left in in Inception. I guess I haven't been keeping up with it. 1 team left, just the White Sox. And I'll do 29 for White Sox. Last team in Inception. Good luck. Last box mojo. Blue parallel, Justin Upton, 30 or 87 to 150. And you got a reproduction sketch. Who's that? Mike Piazza for the Mets. Dylan Bundy, 3 of 25, 2-color patch for the Baltimore Orioles. Dylan Bundy. All right, not a patch you get every day on the Orioles. Adidas and the Orioles. Redemption in this one. Chipper Jones. Good luck. Single player signature swatches dual relic auto. Trevor Story for the Colorado Rockies. Trevor Story for the Rockies. That is LP Ruger and the Rockies. Single player swatch dual relic auto. Trevor Story. All right, pack 3. Andrew Benintendi, quad jersey for the Boston Red Sox, 28 of 75. And last hit of the break. It is an auto of Victor Robles. Nice rookie auto, 1 of 25 to end out for the Nationals. Victor Robles, Tabano, and the Washington Nets. Alrighty, guys, that was our 6-box half case break of 2018 Museum Collection Baseball PYT Pick Your Team Style number 6 on July 1st, 2018. Thank you for watching on and joining. If your team went hitless in this one, you didn't get a jersey or autograph for your team, and you spent over $25 for your team, I'm gonna send out a $5 hitless credit to your Mojo account right after we close out the video. Have a great rest of your Sunday, guys. Peace. Inception Baseball should be breaking